What's up everyone? My name is Alyssa. I am a makeup artist here in Los Angeles and this is my beautiful model Elena. Today's look is called Speak No Evil. Okay, so first we went ahead and prepped her face by washing it with the Z Skin Coffee Face Scrub and followed it with the Simply Clear Mineral Primer. And I really love using this product because it gets really tacky and it just keeps the makeup for a longer period of time. So the first thing we're going to be using is the ZZ Mineral Eyeshadow. This color is going to be our transitional color on both eyes. Have you ever had your mouth pinned up before, Elena?
No.
We are going to be using Gorgum. For this, you can use latex and rip toilet paper into strips. You're going to go ahead and rip up all the edges. And this is actually going to cover the mouth. Use a cotton pad and you're going to lay it right over the lips. Grab any color foundation that matches. You're going to be very careful, and this is where you're going to be cutting the mouth open. We're going to have two flaps. We're going to go ahead and make the inside look a little crazy. So this is the ZZ Mineral Black Eyeshadow mixed with the ZZ Mineral Primer. Now we're going to be adding red in there. So next we're going to go ahead and add some Stage Blood. Okay, so now we're going to be placing the safety pins onto the flaps one by one. Take some dark blood. So now that you guys have seen the finished look, would you like to see it, Elena? You like it? What was that? I can't hear you. I can't quite understand you. Alright everyone, so that is our Speak No Evil tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, bye.